Before I jump into Fiverr, how much time should I spend on learning? Because I'm just starting journey on how much it takes to learn basic things to get going. Well, it's a very subjective topic. Some people learn a lot faster, some people learn a bit slower. How quickly can you learn? How hungry are you? If you're not hungry, you're going to take your time. Oh, I'm going to learn it tomorrow. I'm going to learn it tomorrow. But if you're really hungry for success, if you really want to earn or make a living out of it, then you are going to spend 20 hours a day, 15 hours a day. I'm just saying, but I don't expect you to be sitting in front of your computer. But I know people, I've done it myself. I've um, spent hours and hours and hours on it. I'm going back 10 years when I wanted to learn this. During the daytime, I had to do my day to day job in my business. Only time I had was from 9, 10 o'clock in the evening until 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. And that's those 4, 5 hours I used to learn Google Ads. So if you want to do it, you'll make time. When people come to me and say, "Oh, I don't have time," that's an excuse. Everybody has time. You've got to make time.